As with content validity, there are several different ways that you can establish inter-rater reliability for a given instrument. We chose to use the percent of exact agreement in addition to Cohen's kappa. And we chose this twofold method so that we could really demonstrate that we had consistent scoring with the instrument that we were using. With respect to percent of exact agreement, we had two faculty evaluators look at identical e-portfolios that were submitted for each of our 10 licensure tracks. And these two scorers would score each of those e-portfolios with the assistance of the scoring rubric. And if they scored a given domain exactly the same, they both gave a student a 2 in preparation, that was considered an agreement. If they differed, one scored as a 2, one scored it as a 3, that's considered a non-agreement. So with percent of exact agreement, the score has to be exactly the same. What we then did across all 10 of those evaluations, we looked to ascertain a 75% exact agreement in each of the domains and for the instrument as a whole. That was our goal. We knew that to achieve that would be difficult. So we did some training of our faculty evaluators beforehand. They were all given a look for's document that told them exactly what criteria to look for in the e-portfolio and the artifact the students submitted, along with the rationale that they gave for why this artifact demonstrates and fulfills all the competencies of the e-portfolio. And we specified to the evaluators what needs to be present for a student to earn a 4, what needs to be present for them to earn a 3, what needs to be present for them to earn a 2, what needs to be present for them to earn a 1. We have found through our research that that type of training is pivotal to evaluators knowing how to reliably score artifacts whenever they're using a scoring rubric. And we really feel that it paid off for us. In addition to percent of exact agreement, because we know that we have multiple faculty evaluators evaluating these e-portfolios, it's not just one person, we wanted to rule out the possibility of agreement by chance, and to do that, we needed to calculate Cohen's kappa for each of the domains and also for the rubric altogether. And you apply a specific formula to do that. What we were looking for was an overall calculation that showed substantial agreement among the raters. To show substantial agreement, the end values need to come out between 0.61 and 0.8. Near perfect agreement is 8.1 to 1, which would be full and perfect. But we felt that a 0.61 to a 0.8 and the demonstration of substantial agreement for us would ensure that there was limited agreement by chance, and rather that our scorers were scoring quite similarly and that the instrument that we produced would result in reliable scores.